This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Town Realty property video is presented by Kathy Underwood. Feel like you're at a resort while at home. Admirals Landing Condominiums. Great amenities, beautiful pool, hot tub, gym, billiards room, library, the captain's quarters conference room, game court with shuffleboard and pickleball court. This updated 2-story condo offers 2 spacious bedrooms, 2 full baths and 1 half bath. It features an open floor plan with quartz countertops, custom cabinets with added light features and SS appliances. You will find tons of storage which was added to every nook possible. Solar blinds and a large electric fireplace gives this home amazing ambience. 2 balconies for enjoying the amazing water views and all the action on the Elizabeth River. Located in Olde Towne, just blocks to some of the best restaurants in Hampton Roads. Easy access to the new seawall boardwalk from the pool deck. Lastly, the ferry boat High Street Landing is next door. Cruise on over to Waterside for all the festivals, events, restaurants and shops. For more information, review the details below.